could truly never have too many pillows. We were just getting our day started. It's like 10 a.m. right now, which is honestly pretty early for me, but we have a long day ahead of us, so we gotta get up and moving. It is a beautiful day in New York City. It's like 50 degrees out, which is super nice for this time of year, so I definitely want to take advantage of that. But before we get into it, this video is sponsored by Artlist, so we'll be talking more about them a little later on. And if you're curious, all of the music you'll hear throughout today's video, and honestly all of my past videos, is from their platform. But today I wanted to bring you along on my day, kind of just like we're hanging out. I've had some shoots within the past month or two, but it's definitely been super infrequent, which of course is expected. I had one with my friend Joanne. We tried to utilize what I had in the moment for some photos, and I think they turned out really well. And then I did another shoot with my friend Hazel, also in my apartment. We shot through my windows. We also used this disco ball. And then we took some more with some super bright saturated lighting. But if you want to see some more behind the scenes or end result photos, be sure to head to my Instagram. I have it all over there. But before we take some photos later on, let's head to go get a matcha and some food. We are back now. I got myself a matcha, and then here I have a muffin and a parfait. Aside from that, I also just brought up some packages. I'm kind of like fully furnishing this apartment from scratch, so I honestly get a ton of packages in the mail each day, but it's a fun time around here. So let's go open those. Why is this so difficult? Like I said, I'm still furnishing my apartment, so I got this print a few weeks back and I was gonna keep it on the floor over here, but this wall was just looking too blank, to be honest. So I bought it a friend. They're both the same size, but I'm super excited to hang these up right here. I think it'll just make the space just less bare. Okay, I'm definitely not the best at hanging stuff up, but I feel like I did a pretty okay job. And the space is definitely looking a bit more complete. Let's move on to this next package. All right, so this is a shoe rack. I think I'm gonna put this together right now. All right, this is the before, and this is the after. I literally got a splinter putting this together, but it looks good, so it's fine. All right, so as for the rest of the day, it is a weekday, so I have some emails to get back to. I have to sign a contract for some work I'm doing with a brand, and then I also have to sign a release for one of my videos to be licensed by another brand, aside from obviously editing photos and videos, which I do throughout all hours of the day, whenever I have free time. But on the topic of licensing, what's awesome about being a photographer is that you could go into a shoot with the intent of just shooting personal content. Maybe it's just a test shoot with a friend or a model, but then later down the line, those visuals can get picked up or licensed by a brand if it fits along the lines of what the client is looking for. So in this instance, I submitted a few different videos to get picked up, so I just have to go ahead and sign off on that. But other than doing some light work stuff, my friend Ali is coming over, and I actually got an email from the Empire State Building. It was a pretty interesting email. The title was literally Brandon X the Empire State Building, and I was like, what is this? But their observatory deck just went under a huge renovation, so I know that they were inviting some influencers and photographers up there to capture some photos, and of course I'm down. I've been up there a few times before, but I'm excited to see what changes they've made. Ali should be here soon, so let's get to work. cannot bring any additional lighting or tripods, which is totally fine by me. I feel like whenever there's some kind of restriction like that, I treat it almost like a photo challenge. So it's kind of like, what images can I pull out of under these circumstances that I'm given? So I'm going to be bringing my Nikon Z7 right here with my 35mm f1.4, as well as my 20-40-70 2.8 lens. This will definitely come in handy because I'm not sure exactly how much room we're gonna have up there. And this is the widest lens I have at 24mm. Allie just made it here. I changed into something a little bit warmer because it's probably gonna be pretty cold up there. And I'm also bringing my film camera, which is the Nikon EM. So we're excited. Let's go. Yay. Check it out. This view is actually insane. We came down to the 86th floor. There's heaters up here. We're definitely staying warm, but it's blue hour right now. We're gonna wait a little longer for it to get darker. Yeah. All right, we made it back to my apartment from the Empire State Building. I hope you guys enjoyed all the photos. You could probably tell from the footage, but there wasn't that many people there. It may have been because we went on a weekday, but we felt super safe and the heaters up there made it really comfortable as well. So 10 out of 10 experience. You guys have seen all of the photos from tonight that I shot, but I have not edited them yet in like real time. But before I do that, I wanted to talk about our sponsor of today's video, which is Artlist. Like I mentioned earlier, all of the music played throughout today's video is from their platform. So if you enjoyed it, all credit goes to them. I've been subscribed to their site for well over a year now, so I was super excited when they reached out to collaborate. Artlist is a subscription-based platform that offers high-quality music for whatever you need. So once you sign up, you receive an unlimited amount of downloads, as well as worldwide royalty-free licensing, so you can add your selected tracks to any type of project that you're putting out into the world without any issues. I know YouTube is always one to catch copyrighted music right away. So for me, it's awesome to know that within my own videos, I'm using safely licensed music that won't get me into any trouble down the line. The music license covers YouTube, commercials, TV, podcasts, and more. And they have music categories that range from pop to jazz to hip hop. It is $1.99 for a full year's use, but anyone who signs up with my direct link in the description will get 2 extra free months added to their subscription. So I'll be sure to leave that as the first thing you see down there so you can have easy access and sign on up. They continue to add new music every single day and it's just overall super worth it. But with all of that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up just so I know to make more videos just like this one. Yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.